The man who thinks he can live forever with AI. And lifestyle Brian Johnson, a tech entrepreneur, is on a mission to achieve never die. He has spent over $4 million to experiment with life. This includes taking 111 pills every day, wearing a baseball cap that shoots red light into his scalp, and even sleeping with a tiny jetpack attached to his penis. Johnson sees any act that accelerates aging as an act of violence. Johnson's goal is to get his 46-year-old organs to look and act like 18-year-old organs. He believes that his system, Blueprint, has already given him the bones of a 30-year-old and the heart of a 37-year-old. He sees this as a breakthrough that is reframing what it means to be human. Johnson's intense diet and exercise regime fall somewhere between the Italian Renaissance and the invention of calculus in terms of human achievement. To observe what a life run by an algorithm would look like, Johnson's chief marketing officer, Kate Tolo, became the first person aside from Johnson to commit to Blueprint. Johnson's morning routine involves various rituals and measurements, from using a laser face shield for collagen growth to wearing a device on his penis to measure nighttime erections. He follows a strict supplement regimen and exercises daily in his home gym. Johnson's meals are carefully curated and referred to as first meal, second meal, and so on. Here raises questions: can we challenge life? Only time Johnson's was about to die during this experiment, but his success is in this world.